Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by backing up and clearing a little space so iOS can rebuild caches. This prevents false drain readings. Once done, update all apps and confirm you're on the latest iOS build, because patches often fix background bugs. Next, toggle airplane mode for 30 seconds and restart your device to kill hung processes. This forces system daemons to restart. Make sure battery settings are visible so you can monitor immediate changes after these initial steps. Now you dig into settings. Open battery health, note peak performance capability, and look for unusual app usage to identify culprits. Once identified, turn off background app refresh and restrict location services for those apps to stop excessive wake events. Next, reset network settings if cellular or Wi-Fi tasks keep restarting, and review crash logs and analytics to find misbehaving daemon names. Make sure to test battery over a few charge cycles while monitoring app behavior to confirm progress. Finish by enabling low power mode and optimized battery charging so iOS limits background activity while learning your habits. This helps stabilize consumption. If a specific app still dominates usage, offload or reinstall it because a fresh install clears corrupt data. If problems persist, back up and perform a DFU restore to eliminate software-level corruption. This is the nuclear option. If drain continues after that, one key troubleshooting tip: test with a different Apple ID or contact Apple support to check for hardware cell or battery faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.